In this video, I'll show you how to fix Roblox two-step verification code not sending to email. If you have enabled the two-step verification on your Roblox account and you are not getting the two-step verification while you're trying to log into your account, then here's the real guide of how you can actually fix the problem. But before we start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so if you're not getting the two-step verification, the very first thing that you can do from the verification page, go and tap on resend code. You can do this process for one time and see you are getting the Roblox verification code on your phone or not. But don't do this over and over again because doing this can block your account. If this process didn't help you out, then follow the next process. Go ahead and tap on use another verification method here, and here it's going to give you two different options. You can either use the email address, the current email address, or you can use the backup code. So if you have backed up your recovery code on your device, then you can use the backup code and you can enter the backup code in order to log into your account. But let's say you don't have the backup code, then what you can do, just get back from here and open up any VPN that you have installed on your device. I'm using my iPhone, so I already installed the VPN. So I'm going to open up the VPN here. So you can use any VPN that you want and then connect the VPN to a different server. Let's say I'm going to select the US New York. And once the VPN gets connected, just go back to the verification page once again and tap on resend and try to resend the verification code to your email address. And most likely this will help you to get the two-step verification code on your device. You'll get to see I already got my two-step verification here. But if none of these steps work for you, then here's the last and final guide that you guys can do. Go ahead and tap on contact Roblox support at the bottom here. And once you tap on this one, this will redirect you to this page. And from this page, you just need to scroll all the way to the very bottom. And here you get the option called need more help, contact support here. You can tap on this. And this will actually give you the option to fill up all this information. You can type in your username, first name, email address. You actually have to confirm the email address. And here you just need to select what device that you are using. And also you just need to select your help category. And lastly, you just need to type your problem here. You can easily type that you are not getting two-step verification to your email address. And then go ahead and tap on continue and submit the request. And most likely as soon as possible, they will help you out. And these are the only ways that you guys can follow in order to fix two-step verification code not sending to your email on Roblox. Hope you find this pretty helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to this channel. Or if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section. I'll see you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.